Hey y'all, it's me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited, like y'all don't understand how excited I am for today's video. For the longest, I have wanted to try Good American, but to be completely honest, I haven't been able to afford it. So I went ahead, saved up my coins, budgeted myself a little well, and now I have some items from Good American that I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you guys want to see what they are, just keep watching. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also thumbs this video up if you like clothing hauls and try on hauls and all the other kind of good stuff. And as always, links will be below in the description box, so if you see something you like, treat yourself. Okay, so first of all, Good American is like a brand with Khloe Kardashian and this lady named Emma, and they've created jeans, activewear, I don't know, I feel like they got bodysuits. They have like just your main things. And I figure, you know, January is coming around and it's the time that people tend to get in shape and want to work out more, and I feel like if you look good, you feel good, and you're more like motivated to work out. So I definitely needed some new leggings. So that's what I mainly got from Good American is activewear, and I'm going to be showing you. I think some of them are new from the new line, but I know they also just dropped a new line today with some blue pieces. I'm so upset it wasn't on the website yesterday, or else I definitely would have gotten them. But it's cool though. It's cool. Let me go ahead and get into it because I'm rambling. So first we have the Good American Dual Life leggings. I got mine in a size 3. I was really concerned about how the sizing is on there because you know I'm not a 3. So as you guys know, I'm a US 14, UK 16. When I saw that the sizing were low numbers, it kind of it confused me a bit, but if you read the sizing chart, it has everything so you can put what your measurements are and equal your size. So I got everything in a size 3. I just want to let you guys know that. So these leggings have the white paneling on the side, which I think is such a cute added bonus to them. I think these are mainly like for show to me because I'd wear these all the time. If that meant going to go get coffee, if that meant running errands, these are not just for the gym because these are like trendy and fashionable, so I really like them. When I first started trying them on and I put them over my calf, I thought, is this gonna work? But they are so stretchy. When I say they felt good on, they weren't too tight. I'm looking at the tag right now and it says it has 4-way stretch, so I'm guessing it stretches from every single angle, boo, because these had everything in there contained and fit so well. It says they're quick drying. I think I can tell that by how the material feels. And it also says that they have compression and UV protection. What is some leggings come through? I like the little GA detail that's on the side of your left hip when you wear it. I just think these are really cute and trendy. These are high-rise leggings, which are my favorite. When it comes to like jeans and leggings, I love a high-rise, and these fit perfectly on my waist. Sometimes I think that because I have such a short torso that things come up too high, but these came at like the right midpoint. I think these are super cute to run errands in. And you know, I know this is about going to the gym and getting in shape, but I'd wear them to eat. I'd wear them anyway. So next we have the Core Power Stretch Jersey leggings. I got mine again in a size 3, and when I tell you, these had my core feeling snatched for the gods. These are exactly what you need when you're in the gym. They will have your core contained where you can probably lift and work out better. You know, I don't really know what I'm saying, but I know it sounds good. I know it sounds good. What attracted me to these leggings was that they have Good American written on the side and like this shiny material on top of black, like a shiny black on top of a matte black, which I think is really cute. Another thing that I like about these Good American leggings is the little zip detail that they have on the back. You could put your ID in here, your keys, you know, the main important things that you don't want to lose when you're working out or going on a run or anything like that. You could just put it in this back pocket. Don't have to worry about it till you're done with your workout, and then you got your stuff and you're able to go. I think that's such a smart idea. I know I got some leggings before, and I'm thinking it may have been Ivy Park, and they had a little pocket in the front, and oftentimes when I put my keys in there, I kind of was like, ooh, I feel it. But with these, this is on the back, so I think that's going to be really good. I love that it is a high waist. The waist is everything on these leggings. I felt super sucked in and tight in these, but comfortable, not like a bad tight, like a good tight. I think this is probably my favorite pair. That's a lie. I got one more for y'all. But this is like definitely my second favorite pair. Definitely. So next we have a sports bra, which I was very nervous about. Sometimes sports bras don't contain everything. and you have spillage and all the other kind of stuff. But this sports bra fits so good, and the fact that it is a leopard design print is everything. I love this. Like, I could see this under like a cute mesh top. It just fits so good. I like that the straps don't like crisscross in the back, because sometimes you don't want to crisscross all the time. It's just so different. I think this is so cute, and it has zip detail with the Good American written on the actual zipper, which is cute. That zips up. You know, sometimes when you have bigger boobs, you can always feel a zipper rolling down, but this zip didn't roll down at all. The material is super stretchy but like thick. I think it's, I want to say it feels like a compression material, but I could be wrong. Let me check the tag. Yeah, I was right. It is compression material. Again, the 4-way stretch from all angles. This thing, this is bad. This is my new favorite sports bra. And then lastly, I have the matching leggings to that sports bra. They had two. They had like ones that stopped at maybe your calf or a little bit under your knee. And then they had the full length ones, which of course I had to get. At first I was thinking, is this gonna be too much? But it's not. It's not at all. And that you can put them both together, or I put this with just a black sports bra or a black t-shirt or white t-shirt. Like this print can go with so many solid colors that it doesn't really matter what you wear, as long as it doesn't really matter what you wear, as long as you feel confident in wearing it. I love these leggings. Again, 4-way stretch, compression, all that good stuff throughout all their leggings, which I really can appreciate. It's definitely needed when you want to feel comfortable working out. I know a lot of the times people don't feel comfortable working out because they're scared that stuff is going to roll down and not stay up and not keep them compressed and tight and all the other kind of stuff. I don't think you have to worry about that with these leggings. Now, I haven't done my first gym try yet, but when I go ahead and I start working out, I'll go ahead and let y'all know like the full test on Good American. But as of right now, I am loving everything. So that is it for my Good American haul. I am so happy with the things I got. You guys do not understand. I have been eyeing it for a minute, and sometimes I think that when you see the price, you get a little bit scared, but the price equates to the quality. Did I use the right word there? Equates to the quality. Equates to the quality. If y'all know what I'm saying, y'all know what I'm saying. I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.
Todd, can you play that again?